In today's video, we will tell you how to replace the LCD of your Infinix Hot 9 Play correctly and safely if it breaks. Most people, when the LCD of their mobile breaks, quickly get a cheap LCD installed from anywhere, due to which the touch does not work later, the display becomes blurry or lines start appearing. That is why today we will show you the professional way a technician replaces the LCD. First, completely power off the mobile. Friends, at this time we are connecting the new LCD of Infinix Hot 9 Play to the phone. The most important thing while installing the LCD is to install the flex cable very carefully, because if the flex is not installed properly, the touch or display will not work. Now we are connecting the LCD first in test mode to check that the display is coming out perfectly, the touch screen is fully working, there are no lines or black spots. This step is very important because if the LCD is fixed without testing and the problem is found later, then the entire phone has to be opened again. Now we are cleaning the frame of the phone thoroughly so that there is no old glue or dust left. If the frame is not cleaned, the LCD does not set properly and the screen may lift up later. After this, we are applying high-quality mobile glue so that the LCD is fixed firmly. While installing the LCD, it should also be taken care that the screen sits perfectly straight in the frame, otherwise the phone body will not close properly later. Now we are slowly pressing the LCD into the frame so that it sticks well. This is very important because if the phone is on, there is a risk of short circuit or further damage. Now we carefully open the back cover. Friends, always remember one thing: if the LCD of your mobile breaks, then install a good quality LCD and have it installed by an experienced technician, because an incorrectly installed LCD can quickly get damaged. For this, we use a plastic opening tool so that the body of the phone is not damaged. The next important step is to separate the battery connector. This is necessary so that there is no electric current inside the phone while installing the LCD. Now we carefully separate the broken LCD from the phone. If the LCD is stuck to the glue, a heat gun or light heat is applied so that the glue softens and the LCD comes out easily. Now we clean the frame thoroughly so that there is no old glue or dust left. Finally, we again connect the battery, close the back cover, and turn on the phone for a final check. If everything is correct, it means that the LCD has been replaced successfully. After this, the LCD is carefully fitted into the frame by applying new mobile glue. Friends,